Hello, and I've just trodden in some dog poo. Never mind. I'm sure you all remember the TV show Ground Force, Dog Poo. The idea was that some people with regional accents would come round to your house while you were out and do up your good wife. Then you'd come with unbridled joy. How hard can it be?
Well, I should imagine very hard.
Well, we're going to find out. This is the team. Then we've got some polls. Anyway, let's get cracking. Relax.
It'll be a hammer. It's not a hammer!
This
Is that a hoe?
is all you... No, it isn't. You want to remove a plant. Say, OK, there are no thistles at this time of year, but imagine they're thistles. How do you get them up?
Well,
Ready?
well, granted they're gone, but you can't garden with a
They
shotgun.
have ceased to exist. Observe the genius of my gardening.
And what kind of nerd would find those interesting?
Wow.
I, however, wasn't experiencing such joy.
Do you have any gorgonzola here?
Gorgonzola?
Gorgonzola.
I'll go and check for you.
Thanks. I don't mean gorgonzola, do I? That's a cheese. Chlamydia. Here I meant. Have you got any syphilis?
This is heading in the right direction, the 6x4 apex shed of ship construction.
Finally, I found something I recognised.
Houses. I know what they're for. You can use them for growing syphilis and chlamydia, gorgonzola, stuff like that. Stuff that need to be worn. Go in there. Is this your tape measure?
Might be.
News. No, I can deal with those.
Tall, but that is ambitious. You can't prune a tree with a shotgun.
Yes, you can. This is going well. Shit.
Oh yeah, one bench solution system.
No, you've got to lift it. No! Hammond, you idiot, man!
So, in just 5 hours, we shot poles, but the greenhouse was looking good.
So you see, you take the big spanner off, you can see the big spanner is missing, put the big spanner on, you know it's in the right place. If Jeremy Clarkson came in here and did that, you'd see immediately that Jeremy Clarkson take the big spanner.
As I was saying, shovel, crowbars, lots of dog poo. There is, however, another way.
James, take the news well.
What you've done to my bloody shed!
None! I had this bomb.
And that'll buff out. What time is this programme on? Is it 10 o'clock? Yes. Is it 10 o'clock on BBC Two? Yes. Are we beyond the watershed? Yes.
You're a
With Sir Steve Redgrave just minutes away, Hammond unveiled his barbecue.
I've put some thought into this because for this I've not used coals, which take ages to light and give you salmonella. I've used coal jet engines.
Yep.
There you go. I didn't have it set right. That's actually better. See, now that's going to grill it properly. You'll get some proper blackening of the chicken.
Hang on. That's a pillar. No, let me do it. I'm going to do it. I'm sorry.
Sorry. You've frozen my goodies!